Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find some really cool exposure assistance settings. These are just some settings that you can use on LUMIX cameras to ensure that you have the right exposure as you're shooting. These are available both for photo and video settings. Please check out the manual for the specific information on your particular camera. In my case, I have the S1 Mark II. This is also applicable to the rest of the new series of cameras. So the first thing we need to do is go into the menu, and the first one I wanted to show you is called the zebra pattern. You probably heard about this, but I think this is gonna be a good opportunity to show you what it looks like as well. So let's go into the menu, and hopefully you can already see on that little bonsai tree there, and now in the background, and as I increase my exposure here, you can see that particular pattern coming up. And the same way, as I get closer to a good exposure, that disappears. So my zebra is already enabled, but if I want to disable it or change the pattern, all I need to do is come into the settings cog here, then navigate to monitor and display for video. Select that and then go to zebra pattern, and then you can select between different patterns or off. So now if I go off, I come out of the menu, you can see that particular pattern is no longer visible. Alright, so that's the zebra. The next two, I'm going to show you where you can find them in the menu, but you can actually see them. So when we switch to seeing what the camera is seeing, you're not going to see them. So we're going to switch to this camera next to me so you can see exactly on the screen what I'm seeing. So I'm going to go into the menu, continue in the same exact page, go to the next one, and this is where we find the false color, waveform meter, vector scope, and then the color bars. So false color, I can also demonstrate here. So if I just select this, I can check out the index, so we can see exactly what the colors mean. And then I can go to the start, and hopefully you can see this now on the screen there. Gonna press again to exit, and then continue on to the waveform monitor. Select this, and now as I press OK, we're gonna switch to the other camera so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so you can hopefully see here. You can also move it around, and to learn more about how this is used, you can actually check out some other videos online. This is just how you can actually get to the setting. Okay, so the next one, just going to come out of the menu again. The next one is going to be the color bars. And for this one, as I selected, I think you're actually going to see it on the screen, so don't worry, this is not a fault. It's just going to show us the SMPTE color bar pattern for calibration purposes, and so on. All right, so hopefully you find these helpful. If you're interested to learn more about LUMIX cameras, check out our channel here. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these cameras or many other models, have a look at the description below where you can find the links to our online stores. Hopefully you found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.